Most people get chatbots wrong by thinking they are complicated to set up, but Chris makes it surprisingly simple while still powerful. Today, I'm sharing my honest review after using Crisp Chatbot for customer support and lead generation. Crisp is a messaging platform with an integrated chatbot that can automate responses, capture leads, and improve customer engagement. The first thing I noticed is the setup process. It's quick and doesn't require coding. You can create automated flows using a visual builder. Most people get this wrong by assuming chatbots need programming knowledge, but Chris makes it drag and drop easy. You can set rules for how the chatbot responds to frequently asked questions, collect visitor information, and even route complex queries to a human agent. For example, I set up a flow that captures email addresses and schedules appointments, which saved a lot of manual work. Crisp also provides analytics, so you can track chatbot performance, like response rate, conversion, and engagement. This helps refine the conversations over time for better results. The platform integrates with popular tools like Shopify, WordPress, and Slack, making it easy to centralize communication. Pricing is reasonable. There's a free plan with basic automation, and paid plans unlock advanced features like unlimited triggers, CRM integration, and team collaboration. One limitation is that highly complex AI responses are limited. Crisp works best with structured, predictable conversations rather than free-form AI chat. In conclusion, Crisp is a solid choice for small businesses or websites looking to automate customer interactions without a steep learning curve. Its ease of use, integrations, and analytics make it a practical tool for improving customer service and lead capture. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews so you can pick tools that actually save time and improve efficiency.